We need to parameterize this job. Click on Jenkins, admin, job name should be parameterized job, create job, freestyle. You need to add a parameter, stage with the value build, and then you're going to have create a choice parameter, the name DNV with these three choices. So this helps us to run in multiple environment. You have a code, so you have to run that in dev environment, prod, and staging. So you can use parameterized jobs. So you can say string parameter. We need to create stage and the default value is build, and then we need to add a parameter with a choice. The environment parameter name is environment. It should be. It would contain staging, development, testing. I think three of them. Set production actually. Staging, development, and production. And then we need to just run a command. So execute shell. We just need to echo them. So echo stage and then env. Click on save and then run a job. So while running, you can choose. For staging, it is build staging. So it just interpreter values. So what you can do, just run with for other environments as well. I mean other parameters. So we ran for three parameters. If you click on check now, thank you so much for watching.